So hey guys, once again welcome back. This is me Pranay, and as always you're watching Technomaster. Guys, I'm back with another unique device video, you can say, and this time we have this Snexian Bold T2 T26 Ultra. As you can see, the box and the device image. So we have this device with us. So it is what is special about this device is that it is a copy of S26 Ultra, which is Samsung's and flagship device. So this is the very cheap copy, and you're getting exact S26 Ultra like feel with this device. So today we are going to unbox this product. So guys, please watch this video till the end, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button, press the bell notification icon so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So here is the box. As you can see, the box is already open because it is a review unit device. So you can see we have Snexian logo, and we have Bold T26 Ultra written here. And at the back we can see we have some specifications like it comes with 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, and 6.6-inch 8-inch HP display, and we have 5 MP plus 13 MP camera setup. So we have GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth obviously, and GeoSync means 4G support is there, and we can use memory card up to 128 GB. So that is nice, and we have some more information over here. You can see we have box contents and everything. So, and MRP of the device is 11,000 rupees, and it is made in India, it says. And so at this side you can see the Snexian logo. This side again we have IMA information and other things, and we have this in orange color. So yeah, nothing else. So let's unbox. So yeah, so yeah, as you can see, at the top we have the device itself. So let me keep this side, and first we will look at the box contents. So we have inside the box we have this data cable, which is Type C cable, and this power adapter. And apart from this, we have this case, which is silicone case. So very nice, and we have this screen protector as well. So a lot of things we are getting. So it is very nice to see all these things. So let me just keep these things inside the box, and we will look at the device for the first time. So, so here is the device, as you can see. Yeah, ta-da! So as you can see, we have exactly S26 Ultra like rear panel, and we have Snexian logo over here. This is the seal, and we have this dummy cameras, obviously. So that is very nice again. So at the front, let me just peel this off. Yeah, wow, very nice. As you can see, guys, finish is very good. So let me just power this device on. You can see Snexian logo. So guys, I want to say that it is a device which is copy, as I said, but it is for fun purpose. We cannot expect a high performance or anything extraordinary from this device. Yeah, we have one extraordinary thing which I will tell you just after the boot. So I hope you are able to see the display. You can see we have this display. It is very bright and the clarity is nice. For the price, it is actually priced at 6,000 something, because MRP is written there, but it is not of any use, as you know, and it is available for around 6 to 6,500. So for this price, it is very nice. You are getting a smartphone for that price with this beautiful design. You are getting from no brands in the market. So it is all already very nice thing that you are getting this design. So it is a basic smartphone, guys. Nothing to tell you. This basic device and 3 GB RAM device. So yeah, we are not seeing any 3 GB RAM devices nowadays, but it is like old generation models. So you can see all the details. Okay, so you can see we have Android 12 running on the device. So it is very nice, and here is the camera. You can see camera. We cannot expect anything, guys, again. So we have this pen support as well. So that is the speciality of this device. So let me just take this out. Ta-da! So as you can see, now we can use with this pen. So it is running smooth, as you can see. So this is the only USP of this device, but other things are like common Android devices. So that is for this device. We have this speaker and this Type C charging port and a mic at the bottom. So very nice construction, guys. And we have this SIM tray here, and it is sealed. So overall, guys, it is a fun type of device. You can buy this device for the fun purposes, like show off, obviously. So it is nice for the price. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video, like for this device, and subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in the future. Thank you so much, guys.